Did you know that rice, the same food many of us eat every day, can actually turn into a powerful natural growth booster for broilers? Farmers who use rice ferment report healthier chickens, faster weight gain, and less money spent on expensive feed additives. In this video, I will take you through what rice ferment is, how to prepare it step by step, how to use it in broiler program, and the amazing benefits you will see within just a few weeks. Stick around to the end because I will also share my secret tips to maximize results with rice ferment. Welcome back to Bernard Farms, where we share practical poultry farming tips, natural remedies, feed strategies to help you raise healthier and more profitable chickens. If you are new here, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell icon because we post fresh content on natural broiler weight gain, herbal remedies, and poultry management every week. Let's dive in. I will first explain what is rice ferment. Rice ferment, also called fermented rice water or rice probiotic, is simple rice soaked in water and left to ferment for 1 to 2 days. During fermentation, lactic acid bacteria and yeast break down rice starch into simple sugars, vitamins, enzymes, and probiotics. These beneficial microorganisms improve digestion, help broilers absorb nutrients better, and protect them from harmful bacteria. Think of it like natural yogurt for chickens but made from rice. That's natural ferment for your poultry. Now let's look on how to prepare it. You need 1 cup uncooked rice, any type. It's either white, brown, or local variety. 2 to 3 cups clean chlorine-free water, a glass or plastic container with a loose cover. Avoid metal. On the process, you rinse the rice lightly to remove dirt but don't overwash it. Place the rice in the container and add water. Cover it loosely with a lid or cloth to allow air exchange. Leave it in a warm place for 24 to 48 hours. After 24 hours, you will notice bubbles and a slightly sour smell. That's the natural fermentation at work. Strain the liquid. This is your fermented rice water. The soaked rice grains can also be mixed into feed. A tip for you when doing the process: for stronger fermentation, you can add a spoon of yogurt or old rice water as a starter culture. Now we move on to how to use the rice ferment for broilers. In drinking water, mix 50 to 100 milliliters of fermented rice water per 1 liter of clean water. Give it 2 to 3 times a week. In feed, mix the soaked rice grains with broiler feed in small amounts. This adds extra energy and probiotics. During stress, if birds are weak or after vaccination, rice ferment water helps them recover faster. The proper usage in broiler program is that on week 1 to 2, give small amounts, just mild dosage, to help chicks establish strong gut health. On week 3 to 4, use 2 to 3 times per week to boost growth and immunity. On week 5 to 6, continue as a supplement with finisher feed to push final weight gain. Now I will give you 6 benefits of rice ferment. Number 1, faster growth and weight gain. Fermentation breaks down starch into simple sugars, making energy easily available for growth. 2, improves gut health. Probiotics balance the intestinal flora, reducing harmful bacteria like salmonella. 3, boosts immunity. Lactic acid bacteria strengthen the immune system, lowering chances of infections. 4, better feed conversion, what we call FCR in short. Birds absorb nutrients more efficiently, meaning they eat less but gain more. 5. Prevents diarrhea and digestive problems. The probiotics keep the digestive system healthy. 6. Cost effective and natural. Rice is cheap and widely available. No need for expensive chemical growth promoters. And tips to maximum results are: always use clean, chlorine-free water for fermentation. Chlorine kills beneficial bacteria. And don't ferment for more than 48 hours. It may spoil and harm chickens. Also store rice ferment in a cool place and use within 24 hours after preparation. Combine with other natural boosters like garlic, ginger, aloe vera or turmeric for even better results. Maintain good management. Provide clean water, proper space and lighting to ensure birds actually benefit from the booster. After following these simple tips, results are amazing. Broilers gain weight steadily, less mortality, reduced feed costs, birds ready for market within 6 weeks. So there you have it, rice ferment, one of the cheapest and most powerful natural growth booster you can use for your broilers. It's simple, effective and safe. If you have made it to this far and found this video helpful, give it a like, share and don't forget to subscribe for more natural poultry farming tips. In the comments, tell me, have you ever tried using rice ferment for your chickens? I would love to hear your experiences. Thank you for watching. Till next time, peace, love and light.